Jim was actually back to camp.
All I'm saying is that the Titanic didn't actually sink. I mean, I actually think
that. Oh my god.
Everyone's over here bickering while deforestation is happening in the tropical rainforest at a very, very increasing rate.
I can't believe more than 20% of the tropical rainforests worldwide are already almost gone.
Upwards of 80,000 acres of rainforest are lost every day.
That's depressing.
The rainforest only covers 2% of all the world, but contains 50% of plants and animals.
If the current rate of deforestation continues, it'll take less than 100 years to destroy all the rainforests on Earth.
There are more than 121 natural remedies in the rainforest that can be used as medicine.
Roughly 137 animals die from deforestation each day.
Wow, these are some pretty interesting facts. It's no wonder the rainforest is the most badass biome.
Wait, what's a biome?
You have a page of data in biology. How do you not know what a biome is?
My first name is Doctor.
Who names their
Excuse
child
you.
Doctor?
How do people even know the rainforest is the most badass biome if they don't even know what a biome even is?
I don't know, let's hit the streets.
What is a biome?
A biome is like a region or like an environment that a certain niche of creature lives in.
Isn't it like an ecosystem or like something? It's like a section of the earth, kind of.
I was gonna say
something to do with earth.
Place on Earth like a desert is a biome.
Yes.
A forest is a biome.
Yep.
This is a biome.
A biome is where there's certain weather conditions and certain happenings that are happening in the area. And that's pretty ambiguous. For example, there is there's your temperate biome, there's your jungle biomes. You know, it depends on where you're at, and it happens at different latitudes within the earth. There's the tundra, you know, the Arctic tundra where it's dry and it's cold and it's snowing all the time. It is not fun. There's your rainforest biome. You know, there was one I was trying to remember, and it's cold, snowy. There's a lot of pine trees. I don't remember which one it is, but I know that's a thing.
Wow, people really don't know what a biome is.
Neither did you.
I don't know what feels to me.
Alright, Dr. Rain F. Forrest, I need you to go up there and explain it to these citizens.
A biome is not an ecosystem, although in a way it can look like a massive ecosystem. If you take a closer look, you would notice the plants or animals in any of the biomes have special adaptations that make it possible for them to exist in that area. You may find many units of ecosystems within one biome.
Some examples of biomes include the tundra, the desert, the taiga in a taiga, and of course, the best one, the tropical rainforest.
Now that they know what a biome is, let's hit the streets and see if they agree that the rainforest is the best biome.
I'm on it! What biome do you think is the most badass?
Oh, that's a good one. I like temperate rainforest. Temperate rainforest, that's the best biome. Just because you can find it in the U.S.
This one. I like this one. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Any biome. I can get down with any biome.
The one with deciduous trees.
Whoa!
The most badass biome?
Yeah.
Now, in terms of badass, what do you think? As in, like people that make people like so scared that they want to be there, or like people like makes people excited to be there?
However you interpret badass.
I gotta say, like the number one biome I gotta say is the desert, because for a simple fact, a hot and dry desert. I forgot what that one is called, but you know, Breaking Bad happened there, you know. And so when Breaking Bad happens there, this is all you think about is how. You know, you instantly think of drug dealing and shit like that. I don't know if you ever watched Breaking Bad. A lot of it happens in Arizona. And it's hot, dry, not fun to be in, and people are scared to be in, so are you gonna dry up to death, you know? What's gonna happen? It's too hot to exist. Death Valley, like 120 degrees plus, you know? It's not fun. So maybe I feel like that's the most badass biome to be in.
So how much annual rainfall do you think that the rainforest gets approximately every year? I remember learning this in school. I'm going to say 75%. Is that yeah. Like in inches, what do you think? Oh, man. All right, 120. A year? Yes. 100. Yes.
Too much.
Hundy.
I'd say a lot.
I don't know. Like,
Whoa! Oh my God.
per what?
Per year. Per year.
Per year? Holy shit! In the rainforest?
Yeah, like the
In
normal
the
rain.
temperate rainforest? How about that? I don't know. 50 to 80.
50 to 80.
During the dry season, when it's pointed away from the sun, there's gonna be a lot more rain because there's a lot more precipitation. The climate is not allowing to allow the rain to come back down because it just keep going back up. Heat rises, you know?
Right, you're so right.
Exactly.
The yearly rainfall in the tropical forest ranges from 80 to 400 inches. And let me tell you what, when it rains, it pours.
How many species do you think exist in the tropical rainforest? 200. 200? 500.
Like 1,000. I'm gonna one up that.
I don't know. Like 80.
80?
Sure.
There are approximately 10 million species of animals, plants, and insects known to man, and more than half of them call the rainforest their home. Scientists estimate that there are more than 50 million different species of invertebrates living in the rainforest. One scientist found 50 different species of ants living on a single tree in Peru.
So where do you think the rainforest is located on the Earth?
The rainforest is located from the 20 degrees latitude south to 23 degrees latitude north. 23 both north and south, except for the Sahara Desert in Africa. 23 degrees south in a lot of places, you know, from 0 to 23 in that general zone. That's where most of them are located.
Tropical rainforests are located in a band around the equator, mostly in the area between 23.5 degrees north latitude and 23.5 degrees south latitude. There are rainforests in South and Central America, Africa, Oceania, and Asia.
So do you think rainforests have seasons, like how we have seasons here in Ohio?
They have two seasons, a wet and a dry season,
Okay.
where it doesn't rain a lot and where it rains a lot. I learned this in my weather and climate class over the summer.
Oh, great.
And a lot of it ends up it's because of how the tilt of the axis of the Earth is in comparison to everything else, in comparison to the sun. And I would say because, for example, when the tilt of the axis towards the sun, when the rainforest is pointed towards the sun, it tends to be a little bit drier because, you know, a lot of water is being evaporated and it ain't coming back down.
Tropical areas such as the Amazon rainforest don't have seasons like spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Instead, seasons in the Amazon are divided into the dry season and the wet season, each lasting about 6 months.
Conclusion. So,
You don't need to say conclusion.
well, no, I'm not recording. This is just an idea. Leave me, dog.
Well, if all of that isn't enough reason to stop deforestation, we should just destroy the climate instead.
Wait.
Wow, the rainforest sure is the most badass biome.
I know. Nope, I don't remember the last part.
Maybe we should stop deforestation.
What she said.
I agree.
Aye.
Diddly diddly.
Wow, the rainforest sure is truly the most badass biome.
Maybe we should stop deforestation, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Aye.